Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I'm doing two challenges. I am doing Mel Living at Gigi Ma's Styles MiniMe. This is my kind of me, what I look like when I was younger. Mel asked for her challenge. If you were born on leap day, how old would you be? I would be 17 and Darren would be 15. And she is wearing a little cross-bodied, what do you call this? Pouch? Case. It's a case. And this is what it looks like. And what it is I had bought these little earbud containers that snap on to like your purse or your belt loop or whatever after Christmas one year, and they had different ones. And I've done this craft before. I did a cat face up with a Blythe doll. I did, trying to think of her name, Cat Von Blythe. And I used one like this. Well, I had these little dogs, and I'm also doing a challenge with Ayla Avar today for, oh, what is it called? It's crafting using your stash. Stash crafting, I think it's called. And so what I did was, all of this was in my stash, including my glue gun. Darren has printed up these adorable little Blythe, it fits in there right, I just don't have it. Laptops. And why is it just Blythe? Because he put their name on it. That is the Blythe logo from 1972. I absolutely love that. He 3D prints these, and they are the cutest thing. Now this was from Thingiverse, right?
Correct.
And you just made it the size.
Correct.
But this Darren did, and this is the cutest part. When it opens and she's sitting at a table in the library, it has her name. So I'm going to show you how I did this. And I have my little autumn out. I made this with a break in the ribbon so that you can put it around their neck easily with Velcro. And it just goes. Of course, it's not going to just go as I'm doing it. But I made it for autumn purposely. I did those autumn dolls. If I told you how many of these little melon-haired Blythe dolls I have, you would judge me. You really would. I love this girl. Are these girls. And I took dolls like this. I did face-ups. Oh, sorry, sweetie. For Ayla and Dory and I. I just love these dolls. I made them clothes that were alike but a little bit different. So today, let's just make them each a... I'm dropping stuff at the other end. Make them a little... bag with a laptop, and then I'll send those to Dory and Ayla. What I did was I cut off the little snap, of which I have a Yorkshire Terrier and some cord that I use to make leashes. And yes, I really do use that for her. Open this up. My glue gun should be ready. Take a piece of ribbon about that long. Cut it off, take a little piece of Velcro about that thick. You just need it to line up on the ribbon to hold that on her shoulder. Take your glue gun. Ooh, it looks like mine's pretty hot. Yeah, I always either overcook it or get burned or something. Put a little piece in here. Watch me burn my fingers. With the shiny side out, shiny side of the ribbon that is. Push that in one side. Continue at the other side. Same thing, push that in. One thing I always tell people, when you're doing especially when you're on camera and you're working with your glue gun, always, always, always have extra glue sticks at the ready, because I promise you, you get ready to do a DIY on camera, that's going to be the day that your glue gun runs out of glue. Okay, and then I just cut this here. When you use Velcro on your dolls, you always put the hard side on the outside of your fabric, because you want this away from your doll. And then this side you put on the inside of what you're closing or towards the doll. Today we're doing the opposite because of the doll's hair, and I've got glue on my fingers, so everything's sticking. I'm a mess with a glue gun. I'm not going to lie to you. So you put your hard side on the outside. Hold that down. And then on the other side, keeping your ribbon straight, you add your soft side of your Velcro, like this. And ta-da! You have the cutest little Blythe laptop holder for your little Blythe, for props, or, you know, if you go to the library and you're taking your doll and your laptop, then you'll want to take these. These slid in easier in here. I'm wondering, did I go the wrong direction? Maybe. Oh, there's a tag in there. Maybe. Yeah. There you go. Slides in easily. Put it around the doll and push it shut. Thank you so much, Mel, for your monthly MiniMe challenges. And thank you, Ayla. This was a fun little craft and DIY challenge. Please go by Ayla and Mel's. And if you have a video today, please let me know in the comments. I'd like to see both your MiniMe and your craft stash challenge. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.